this is Jennah. Today we're drawing fawn lilies. They're going to be starting to bloom, so I want to teach you how to draw them. It's a really easy lesson. We're going to start kind of in the middle of the page and go up a bit with the first petal starting here. Here we go. Curl up like this. Okay? And then come down like this, and you're going to go ba-dum, 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 like that, like a little wave. It looks like a sailboat. The next one, you're going to start over here. It's going to come out. Give it a few little bumps. And out to there. And then back. Notice that this thickness is almost the same as this thickness. And this length is the same as that length. So just be aware of how long your petals are. You're going to start where that meets this petal. And you're going to come out like this. Up. And then thick and then thin. Good. And then the back of this petal is curling and coming back up here. So start here, I'm going to go up like this, back to the stem, okay? And then you're going to start here, and you're going to go out, let me move my head, out here, and watch what I do. I join it back to this line, and then back here, like that. Let me finish that line. Bring this up to here. And then we're going to do, I call it the candy cane stem. Ready? So at the top of this, we're going to do a candy cane. Okay, make it nice and even all the way down like a candy cane. Oops. Oops, not like that. I'm just going to make a shadow, so I fix that line. There you go. Okay, now continue that all the way through. Try to make that really even. And right off the page. And then here again. There we go. Make it a little thicker because I goofed that line up a bit. No big deal. There. And the last one is going to go back here and curl up. Like that. And then this one is connecting up here. There we go. Now, let's have that little stamen and pistil coming down here. So this goes down and goes curl, curl, and back up. And then you have some pollen here and here on these little guys. And a few more. Let's do one more. Maybe two more. There we go. Okay, let's do some flicks. I like to call them flicks. Flick, flick, flick. Like that. Good. And a few little lines down the center of some of these petals. That's good. Okay, let's do a few more. Let's do one here. And then one here. And here. So once you get the hang of it, you can do them quite fast. This candy cane's going to go this way. And behind that petal. There you go. Another petal nice and thin, going behind that stem. And then there's a back petal there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. And then, there we go. So you can do a whole bunch of them, all wherever you'd like on your page. And then the leaf is a beautiful leaf. It's kind of down near the bottom. These are also called fawn lilies because of the leaf, because there's this mottled pattern on them. They look really beautiful. So we're just going to do a simplistic mottled pattern on these little guys, like a fawn almost. And then thin little, there we go. And you would have lots of grasses growing around these. You'd have other shapes in the background. We could do the stem, maybe like the trunk of a Gary oak here. Give it some interest behind it. Maybe some cool bark texture. There we go. Let's do some grasses. Good. And I think we'll just keep it simple today. Get that done. So that's your fawn lily. Okay, thanks for watching.